Hi first grade friends, we have some Unit 2 practice here. I can read words with long vowels. We're going to go ahead and read our sounds. My turn, then your turn. A apple A. A safe A. E egg E. E jeep E. I itch I. I pine I. O octopus ah. O home O. U up U rule U. U mule U. CH chinch. TH thumb. SH ship sh. Sh. I. D. O. B. A. I. A. Qu. E. Ch. A. U or oo. Practice them on your own now. You can pause the video, take your time, but eventually we want to move along a little quicker. Sound, 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 sound. And you can have someone at home time you to see how quickly you can read through the whole chart. It should sound something like this. Sh, I, D, O, B, E, A, Qu, E, Ch, A, U, U. And now we're going to get into some chaining. Okay, so we're going to take the first word. This is our first word. Okay. The first word is, yes, fed. I'm going to change one of the sounds. Which sound did I change? Yes, I changed the middle sound. And I went from to E says, yes, and E is one sound, so it gets one box. Now I'm going to change another sound. And which sound did I change? I changed the first sound from to n. My word was feed, now it is yes, need. Going to change another sound. We changed which sound? That's the first sound again. And instead of we have w, the word is yes, weed. Gonna change another sound. Which sound did I change? It's one of the middle sounds. And instead of saying E, now the middle sound says it's a short E. My word is yes, we have wed. Changing another sound. Now we have, I changed this sound. Now the word is yes, bet. What does the word say now? Yes, beat. You changed to E. Now the word is yes, feet. Now the word is yes, fit. Okay, we're going to start another chain of words. This time I'm going to start with this word. This word says yes, step. I'm going to change step to yes, steep. E says E, it gets its own box. St, eep, steep. Going to change this sound now. Which sound did I change? One of the middle sounds. I changed it from t to l. So now the blend at the beginning of the word says soul. My word is, yes, sleep. I'm going to just move my letters over. I don't know what happened with my boxes. Oh, there we go. Anywho, okay, so now my word is, I went from sleep to, yes, and I removed a sound. Let's see, seep to, yes, seed. Seed to, yes, see. See to, yes, bee. Bee to, yes, fee. Fee to, yes, free. And free to, yes, flee. Good job chaining today, friends.